everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, actually your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's enter this info icon and tap on the camera icon, which should appear right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we can set the stickers or AR emoji as a profile picture, but also we can pick the camera option. And after tapping on it, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. So you will be able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can pick a photo from the gallery, so from previously taken photos or some downloaded. So let me pick the gallery option. Of course, give all the permissions it needs and find the contact, maybe not contact, the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of the square and the circle inside of it. We can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to, and if you are happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it will immediately appear on this contact, so remember to tap on save if you are sure that you want to save the contact. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. What's more, after getting back, you can see that it will also appear on the contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.